Hello and welcome to the 12th episode of How to Make a Mod in BTD6. Today we are going to be making a game menu, which said we doing in November. As always, we're just going to get into it. So right here. Right. Oh, one thing I want to do for these methods, you want to do, I'll do C++, I think. This, if we go hit the console here, we can see how it's complaining. So I actually want it on this method. Okay, let's see, I just put example game menu. Then example game menu button. Because this on its own you can't actually open it. So we're gonna want to I'll just go here, and here we can do our base game menu. I'll just put the settings screen. Then we just come here. And that's all. Okay. Actually, I'll just put true for now. Okay, that's static. And then I'm gonna do a public static void create button. Then I'm gonna have a main menu. Alright, actually I think I want main menu screen. Oh wait. I think it's just main menu. So we're gonna do button to copy, and if you go to this, I'm gonna put a button underneath this trophy store. Which actually, I have Unique Explorer here that I should turn on, so I can restart the game. Need to sure that works, I guess. Okay. Oh wait, that won't work. Okay, we are going to restart the game. I'll do C++, something like this. Or the menu down here, it seems. I mean method, not menu. She's loading. Oh. Alright, if you're ever using Unique Explorer, you can just always ignore that. Okay, this here is how you want. So if I go here, we should have... Okay, if we go here, we should see a main menu UI, and I think something in here should have it. Right here. And we can see it has main menu as the component that's what we're using. Right, so which one has this? You may ask. It actually isn't in a layout group at all. So we're gonna have to move it manually. We can see we just want to get the trophy store child. So what I'm gonna do here I'm actually gonna delete the comment. Okay, we're gonna do menu dot transform dot find child trophy store. Okay, and then we're gonna have var new button equals button to copy dot game object dot duplicate, and this should keep the same parent as it says there. Okay, but now what we're gonna want to do is, because we don't exactly want this to be in the same exact spot, so we're gonna do new button dot add component, and we're gonna add a copy match local position. That's what it is. Okay, and I'm gonna have this as var match local position equals that. You're gonna have this, oh, not math, match local position. You're gonna want an offset. Now I'm gonna move this down, but how far down do we move it? Well, we can just like, no. But that's the store. So if I go here, I can just duplicate this trophy store, instantiate it. It doesn't have the same parent, so I'm gonna copy the parent. So now we can see if I move this, so we have the trophy store in the same spot. Anyway, so now I want to move it down, see how much it needs to be about as evened, as spaced out as the rest of them. Or we can just come here. If I try like negative 375. That's actually right. I am a genius. So it looks like 350. That's 35. 340. 0, negative 340, 240, 340, 0. You want match local position dot transform to copy equals button to copy. Right, so I'm just gonna, if you look here, it kind of looks like a trophy store. So what we're actually gonna want to do is we could, do this, but make a custom icon for it. I'll do that later. But what we want to do is when you do a new button dot get component, and I actually don't know, so I have to do any children. We do image like that, and then we're gonna do set sprite mod content dot get sprite reference. Then we're gonna put in our mod, example mod, and then I'm gonna put icon. Okay, so what does any of this do? So here, find a copy. We are taking the menu screen, we're going to the transform of it, which if we come here, main menu, we can see that there is a rect transform. This is a transform. Okay, and then we're going to find one of these children right here. So if we look, you can see, wow, trophy store. Okay, so we take this, right? And now that is our button to copy. Our new button is this, but we are going to instantiate it. Take this parent, put it here. Alright, So now we have a button right there. Right now it's in the same spot, and it is its own button. So if we were to you know, do this, you can see it stays in the same spot. The buttons are gone now. So what we do is we add a magical position to it, which is from a mod helper here, and we make it copy the look position of the original button we have, but we move it down a little bit so it is in the same spot. We'll move it around. And then here we're going to change the image in the button so we know what it is. Because now we need to actually open it. But actually think first I'm going to do new button get component and children button. Then set on click. I think. Yeah, okay, I want example game menu dot open. No, I want to do mod game menu dot open example game menu. Right? No? Maybe? Method name. Oh. There. Okay. Yeah, okay. So now, this will make it actually open our game menu. Try now choose the settings menu. But first, you're gonna need to make it so it actually loads. So, oh yeah, I have these there. Okay, so what I want to do is public. Actually, so making a Harmony patch right now. I made a video on that before, so I won't explain any of this. But there is a thing, so you want to do one on open. So we can do example game menu button dot create button. Then we pass in our main menu. I'm gonna copy this, change this to reopen. And okay, if I restart the game, it should create a button. And if not, then I'm a big dum dum. But I'm probably fine. Okay, we don't need that open right now. The attack is sign. So, geez, nothing here. So we're gonna look in the Explorer. We're going to go to main menu, UI. See, nothing here. Oh, here it is. Look, it's in global. And now the okay. So as you can see, the button just isn't keeping the parent, even though that's what this is meant to do. So, new button transform, and we're gonna do parent equals button to copy dot parent. Also, I'm just gonna do new button dot name equals example button, I guess. I'm going to destroy these. Makes it easier to deal with. Okay, so we have this here. It's much bigger than I want it to be. Probably just because of the size of the image compared to these buttons, which is completely fine. I will make it not like this by the time I actually post the code in GitHub. So now I'm going to go to here, and because as you can see, we don't want it to just open the settings menu. So I'm going to do common foreground header. And what this does is this is just text. So we can do this here, and now I can just do something like example game menu. Now, what do I actually want to do? I can make a list with the balloons. So yeah, I'll make it a balloon menu. Balloon menu. Balloon menu. There we go. Okay. So yeah, do this. And now we're going to create a. It's going to be called create panel for now. We can worry about this later. We're going to do game menu dot transform transform dot destroy all children. I'm gonna go up here, mod helper panel is gonna be main panel. You have main panel. Here, let me rename this secret menu. And this is gonna equal game menu dot okay, so transform that. I'm gonna cast this to a rect transform, and I'm actually gonna have rect transform rect will equal this. Okay, now I'm gonna do rect dot add. Oh. Well, you need that anyway, but we're fine. Okay. So, balloon menu. Okay, the size. I like doing 3200 by 1800. Pretty simple size. I'm gonna do vanilla sprites. And there are many types of panels here, so if you want to do like, there's like a brown panel, which, see, I think it was, yeah, so it's just this panel right here. It's not bent out like that, I think. Like if I come to sandbox mode, this one right here. So that like, actually no, this is how it's meant to be. So this is just like the panel with stuff over top of it. Which is what I'm gonna do now. So this is fine, I think. Let me just, yeah. You get the body. Okay. And we're going to create menu. Anyways, you can see that there's no error. So if I do here, let's see, it's brown. I do not like that though. So, oh right, no, because that's not the panel segment. Panel brown. Oh right, I think it's just main panel. Main BG panel. Yeah, that's the one I was thinking about. So what I'm going to want to do, I want to use a blue one. And there is a gold one right here. Looks kind of ugly, I'll be honest. So stick with blue. If we go back to blue, yeah, it's that one right there. This one. This is the blue panel. So I'm going to change this actually to enumerable. We wanted to, okay, now yield return no. And this is just because you'll be doing something with the scroll panel, right? So var scroll panel can equal main panel dot add scroll panel. We're gonna do content. I'll have this as 3000 by 1700. Then, alright, and we're gonna want 0, negative 100. There. Even if we're not done with this yet, because we're going with the axis to be vertical. Background sprite, we're gonna have the blue insert panel. And spacing 50-50. Okay, we're gonna yield return null. This waits a frame, and then we're going to do scroll. Actually, wait, I don't want to do this. I'm gonna yield after doing this. So we're gonna do scroll panel dot remove component, and then I think vertical leg grip. I think that's what I want. Yeah, let me save this. In here, but we cannot. Well, I don't know if this is mono here, so we can't do anything. But we're gonna do melon coroutines dot start create menu, and this. Oh, this needs to be greater, right? Okay. So to go here, you can see I need to push this up a little bit. On the snap. Okay. There. If I come to Unity Explorer, if I come to settings UI, blue menu, and then we go to content, scroll content. So yeah, vertical leg grip, we want to remove from that, not because it isn't in content. We do dot scroll content that. We do scroll panel dot scroll content dot add component. If you're gonna add a grid, group. And we have a layout group here. Then here we can set a cell size for everything, I believe. I think if you do not add this, it's fine. But I'm gonna want these to be 200 by 400. And I think that's all we need, okay? Actually, we want to rate a frame after doing this, so we have this. Okay, now I'm gonna go through each balloon. I'm gonna actually add a dictionary here. String. And then I'll have a list of balloon models. Balloon model. Okay, then this will just, and then these will be balloon variants. Okay, and then in game, you can do this before, like that. If balloon dot base ID is equal to balloon dot name. Then I'm gonna have a list of balloon model, and this will be base models. It's gonna equal this because you want to have them equal something. Otherwise, it will not work out well for us. Okay. So now, if it's gonna be equal to that, we're gonna add it to base models. Else, we're going to, if not, balloon variance dot triad balloon dot base ID with a list with the balloon in it. And we're gonna do balloon variance balloon dot base ID dot add balloon. Okay, and then we're going to yield here. Probably we'd actually want to do this like when the game starts, if you think about it. So I can actually move these into here, and we can make it like internal static. Okay now. Okay, then if we go here, override game model loaded. So all this to do is just lag the game a little bit. We're going to example game menu dot that. So we do that, and I'm going to want to change this to just model, I think. Okay, I'll restart the game after. Okay, so now instead we're going to do is we're going to do for each our balloon in base models. I'm going to add here a method is going to be create balloon profile, and this should be a void. Which actually, this will be in a part 2 of this video, I think, because this is actually a lot. So for now, actually, I'm going to do, what I just said I won't be doing. Got balloons. Panel, and this would be balloon profile. And I don't know, I keep not putting a body. So we're gonna add a panel and call this panel. Simple as that. At the end, we're going to return the panel. But we're just gonna do new and a mod helper panel that create new. I'm gonna want to pass in a balloon mod. Okay, so you're gonna do balloon. And then here I'm just gonna do balloon dot name, like that. Now we're going to we're gonna make it again a main panel PG blow. Okay. I'm gonna do var icon equals panel dot add image new. And then we're gonna call this icon. Then what I actually want to do is flex. I think, right? Okay, we're gonna do flex. And I'm gonna put this as a new. Okay, let's just put that, I guess. I'm gonna do balloon dot icon. Other than dot GUID. Just like that. I do not know. Okay, well, I know what the sizes are gonna be, so I guess I'm gonna do this. It should be square anyway. So I'll just do 200. It gives me some space on the top and the bottom. So I'll actually move this here. Okay, then I'm gonna do var name equals panel dot add text new name. It's gonna be 0, 100, I think. We're gonna have it's gonna be 200 long, 100 tall, and it's gonna be balloon name, and we have that here, and not this. Then we're gonna do name dot new bottle size. We have var, I think I'm help. New health 0. Actually, this would be no, it'd be 100, negative 100, 200, 100, balloon dot max up dot restrict. I think this would be fine for now. I could put like with this camo, but that should be for fortified, but it's pretty. Most people know that. I'm going to rebuild the game though. So like, what is this mismatch between the processor archetype? Okay, I'm gonna wait for it to stop loading things all the time. Anyway, the cure should not work. That is most definitely not what I want. Oh, well, because I think I actually had it. You do scroll panel. Add scroll content. Balloon profile balloon. Then here we're going to build return null just to make it so that the game doesn't like freeze up while you're doing this. And I can't. Why? I haven't. I think I haven't. There's like something I need to do. And that should be false by default, in my opinion. That just makes it so it tells you when it successfully puts the thing in the model behavior in IL2C++ and 79. If you can see, these are all of our beautiful balloons. You can see it works very well. Very beautiful. of the text would be smaller though. You can see our example balloon. Isn't very useful, but you know, it's kind of cool seeing on the balloon side like this. Anyway, I'm going to sort these by danger. So I'm gonna do dot order by balloon danger. Okay, so now if I reopen this menu, you can see it comes up in order of danger. So it looks, well, it's much more orderly now. You can see that these balloons don't actually have infinite health. You can see this balloon, which you can't actually get in the game. Anyways, that's all for this time. Yeah. See ya.